Class 8 Subject Mathematics Indices and Cube Root Practice at 3.2 Solve करण्यापूर्वी we want to take information. We know that a raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. घातांक m आणि n यांचा गुणाकार घेतलेला आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे 8 raised to 2 bracket raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 8 raised to 2 into 1 upon 3. 8 raised to 2 ones are 2 upon 3. 8 raised to 1 upon 3 bracket raised to 2 is equal to 8 raised to 1 upon 3 into 2 is equal to 8 raised to 2 ones are 2 upon 3. Meaning of number 1 power of the root form मध्ये. Example number 1 8 raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to square of 8 raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to meaning square of cube root of 8. Example number 2 27 raised to 4 upon 5 is equal to fourth power of fifth root of 27 is equal to fourth power of fifth root of 27. Third, a raised to m upon n is equal to mth power of nth root of a is equal to mth power of nth root of a असे लिहितात व वाचन करतात. Meaning of number root of the power 1 8 raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to cube root of 8 square is equal to meaning cube root of square of 8. Second, seventh root of fourth power of 27 is equal to seventh root of fourth power of 27. Third, a raised to m upon n is equal to nth root of mth power of a. Nth root of mth power of a. Practice set 3.2. Question 1. Complete the following table. Serial number, power of the root. इथपर्यंत आपण भाग पाहणार आहोत. Example number 1 225 raised to 3 upon 2 cube of square root of 225. Practice set 3.2. Question 1. Complete the following table. Serial number, power of the root. हा पहिल्यांदा टेबल आपण पाहणार आहोत. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1 225 raised to 3 upon 2 meaning cube of square root of 225. मग आता सांगा पाहू 45 raised to 4 upon 5 fourth power of fifth root of 45. Example 3. 81 raised to 6 upon 7. Answer is sixth power of seventh root of 81. 100 raised to 4 upon 10. Answer 10th power of 4th 10th root. 100 raised to 4 upon 10. 4th power of 10th root of 100. Example number 5. 21 raised to 3 upon 7. Third power of 7th root of 21. Root of the power. 1. 225 raised to 3 upon 2. Answer is square root of cube of 225. Second, 45 raised to 4 upon 5. Fifth root of fourth power of 45. Third, seventh root of sixth power of 81. Tell me fourth answer. 10th root of fourth power of 100. And last, 7th root of cube of 21. Question 2. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. परिमेय संख्येच्या घातांकांच्या रूपात लिहावयाला सांगितलेलं आहे. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1. स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ फिफ्थ पॉवर ऑफ 121. 121 raised to 5 upon 2. Cube of fourth root of 324. 324 raised to 3 upon 4. Fifth root of square of 264. 264 raised to 2 upon 5. Cube of the cube root of 3. 3 raised to 3 upon 3.